How is a high-quality Royal Enfield motorcycle's 6-pin cable produced? For motorcycle adapter cables, the most important concern for users must be quality and durability, rather than having to throw them away after a few times of use. Autodiag always offer high-quality products. Using good materials is the basis for producing high-quality products. Autodiag's Royal Enfield motorcycles 6-pin cable are all made of 100% pure copper terminals for better conductivity. The cable is 7 mm wire diameter, at least 26 AWG, and conform to international standards. Plastic for injection molding is 100% raw material, never using recycled materials. The connector of our Royal Enfield motorcycles 6-pin cable are all molded with a handle by plastic injection, which is sturdy and durable. And each of the handle has stripes on both sides, making it more easily for plug and unplug. Unlike other poor quality products, which only use heat shrink to cover, or even have no cover at all, it is particularly easy to break. Each of our plugs is filled with pins, making customers more satisfied. Autodiag always offer high-quality products.